Hi, I'm Tim Carter, AskTheBuilder.com. That's my F250 behind me. It's 13 years old, it's in great shape, but it rides so stiff because I ride with the bed empty all the time. And I wanted to discover how could I make my F250 ride smoother. You're not going to believe how simple it is to do. Check this out. Okay, here's the back of my F250. Pretty standard. It's a 6.5 foot bed. And you would think, well, Tim, what's the big deal? So I've got a Line-X spray-on liner that I had put on when the truck was new. And this is a pretty thick, really nice rubber mat. I didn't want the Line-X to get messed up. But let's check out and see what's underneath the mat. Okay, you're looking at 24. There's some that are still underneath the mat. 24 patio stones. These are the really super cheap precast concrete stones that you could get at any big box store or landscape center. They're 12 by 12 and they measure a little over 1.5 inches thick. There's 24 of them, and what you need to know is I'm going to fill in this area here with a 2x material, and same thing on the sides. I'll custom cut a piece of 2x here and way up in the corner up there so that the entire bed once again is flat. When I came back from the big box store, the ride difference was remarkable. Before, anytime I'd go over the slightest bump, I'd be like this. I mean, the truck was just bumpy, bumpy, bumpy. It was horrible. I've been putting it up for a long time, and I actually got this idea from the manager of the garage that I take my truck to in my car to get serviced. It's a Eurasian Auto Works in Tilton, New Hampshire. Anyway, each of the stones weighs a little over 19.5 pounds. You do the math and you'll find out I put about 471 pounds in the truck. So that weight plus the weight of the cap is just enough to soften the ride. So that's all you have to do is just put some of these patio stones in your F250 and the ride's going to be a lot smoother. I swear, you're not going to believe the difference. I'm Tim Carter, AskTheBuilder.com. If you want to discover more home improvement tips, go to AskTheBuilder.com.